Next, let's look at the important rivers. So the river courses are not properly visible in this map. I hope you have the atlas with you. So please mark these rivers. The first one, the San Diego River, right, which is located here, which is part of the Mexico, right? And the mountain range near there is like the Sierra Madre, the mountain ranges, the Occidental as well as the Oriental. Then we got the river Rio Grande, right, which is flowing into the Gulf of Mexico. And then third, one of the most important river, like the river Mississippi, right? So river Mississippi, it's flowing from here, starting from here. That's also it's given as 3 here. So the Mississippi starting from here, flowing all the way into the Gulf of Mexico, and this region is called as the Mississippi Delta, right? Then another important river, the Ohio River, as the name suggests, near the Ohio. Then the fifth one, Missouri, right? So Missouri is an important tributary of the river Mississippi. So they both are joining each other. They are flowing into the Mississippi Delta in Gulf of Mexico, right? Then we got the St. Lawrence River. This bay here is a St. Lawrence, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and this is also sometimes part of the, it used to determine the boundary between Canada and US. The river here is called as St. Lawrence River. Okay, and here, I mentioned earlier, this is not a part of a river. Remember, this St. Lawrence River is near Bay of Fundy, right, Nova Scotia. Then
we have curated our most awaited course, Current Affairs Plus, the plus approach to current affairs. In CAP, all geography topics relevant for the prelims 2021 examination is covered in detail, so that you will not miss on any questions from geography path. We have also included a map session to give you a detailed understanding for the places in news. To know more about CAP, please click on the link given in the description below. Why wait? Enroll to our current affairs program and ensure your seat in Mains 2021.
The another river is the Columbia River, which is part of the Columbia Plateau, flowing into the Pacific Ocean out into the Atlantic, right? These rivers, they are flowing from these high elevated regions towards the east, but from these elevated regions the river Columbia is flowing into the left. Then we got the river Peace here, which is again flowing towards east of the Rockies mountain. Then the Mckenzie River, which is as you can see here, the Mckenzie River, which is flowing in this direction. And we got the another very important river, which is called as Yukon River, flowing into the Bering Sea, right? And this region where the Mckenzie River is flowing into the Beaufort Sea, and the Yukon River is flowing into the Bering Sea, right? So Bering Sea and Beaufort Sea, and Mckenzie is creating Mackenzie's Bay here, and we got the delta location here, and the Mckenzie is starting from the Great Slave Lake, right? So Mckenzie here, and we got the Yukon here, right? So these are the two very important rivers in the completely in Canada, right? And these are the important rivers in US. Okay, now next we'll move on to the other important physical features that we need to remember regarding the North America.